I would like to thank you for the invitation to be present in the E3 Forum. E3 Forum is an initiative that is completely run by students, and I'm really proud of the students and of the good work that they have been doing over these years, with an initiative that really reflects the interests of the students and what is their concerns when they finish the courses and they start to go to the lives. Today we'll have a panel that is very interesting, that we have two people that will speak. There's a panel, it's called Innovation Talks. So each of the two persons will share with us the experience, and then we have a session where we can just sit and discuss a bit about the different paths that people have taken. And the first person that I will invite to speak is Cristina Godinho. She holds a degree in electronical engineering and computers from the School of Engineering of the University of Porto. She's being dedicated to the knowledge acquisition and applications, and she continues to participate in several training programs. One is the executive training program Driving Strategic Innovations from MIT Sloan School of Management, New Product Development from the North American Institute, and Intellectual Property with the Portuguese Institute of Intellectual Property. During this time, she has strengthening her general management, started general management with the Porto School of Business. From a more professional point of view, Cristina has performed diverse professional functions at EFACEC. She started at EFACEC in 1991, if I'm not wrong, and she experienced an ample opportunity for growing in the career progress as she started by coordinating and managing certain projects leading to in the EFACEC innovation area. Currently, she guides a vast operation experience in the area of innovation and technology, and she's the director of the corporate innovation, quality and organization area. Cristina will tell us more about her job and about her experience. So thank you, Cristina, to be here. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning. I would like to thank MIT for this invitation. My name is Cristina Godinho, and I'm here. First of all, I'd like to say that I'm here on behalf of Engineer Alberto Barbosa, who couldn't be present due to other professional commitments. I'm responsible for innovation, quality and organization area, and it's always rewarding to share our best practices and of course to learn new ones and new concepts with all of you, sharing today. Okay, in the first point, I'm going to introduce our company in order to explain our diversity, because it will be fundamental to understand the complexity of the areas of EFACEC to bring our best experiences in success. Okay, EFACEC Group. Let me briefly introduce our company. EFACEC is a company privately owned by two important Portuguese groups, Grupo José de Melo e Têxtil Manuel Gonçalves, and is represented worldwide in 65 countries. We currently employ more than 4,600 employees, and we have 1 billion euros of turnover, yearly turnover. We are presenting in high sectors, technology, demonstrating prominent levels of quality, competence, and entrepreneurship. Okay, but since a picture says 1,000 words, I would like to show you our video that I hope it will be interesting.
EFACEC, over a century of creating, developing and innovating with electricity, inside and outside. With its focus on energy, transport, logistics, engineering, the environment and services, it is the Portuguese company with the highest profile in the international market. It is also the largest Portuguese company in the electrical and electromechanical sector.
No? Sorry. problem.
EFACEC. Over a century of creating, developing and innovating with electricity, inside and outside. With its focus on energy, transports, logistics, engineering, the environment and services, it is the Portuguese company with the highest profile in the international market. It is also the largest Portuguese company in the electrical and electromechanical sectors, developing high-technology products, systems and solutions that are a part of daily life for millions. With its high-end technology skills, carries out its business in a culture of innovation, research and development. EFACEC is a solutions company. This is what makes it what it is, the ongoing search for sustainable business growth solutions. % of its technology is developed in-house, which is how its work in various sectors is able to meet the challenging demands of the market, bringing the group's wide range of competencies together in a shared and integrated services policy. Leader in the supply of goods and equipment for the production, transmission and distribution of electric power. The company operates in those competitive sectors that are going to grow and develop over the coming years. Power transformers, distribution transformers, mobile substations, high voltage switchgear and medium voltage equipment are some of the products that help make EFACEC one of the world's largest manufacturers. The use of the most advanced technology means quality and safety. It is also adapting to the new realities in the energy market, with its investment in renewable energy, an important growth area for the company. It's made the move into cogeneration, biomass, wind and wave power and solar energy. In engineering, the environment and services, EFACEC is an integral part of the development of large-scale infrastructure and systems projects. It offers turnkey system solutions for electrical networks, automation of power systems, network management, industry, services and the environment. EFACEC is responsible for the technology and control centres. It wholly manages the Portuguese electrical power grid, an experience which has allowed it to win over big clients in the international market, particularly in Algeria, Brazil and Switzerland, home to the renowned CERN project. EFACEC develops transports and logistics solutions and is leader in this market. With its specialized offer, its technical solutions are fully personalized. Efforts in this area focus on the ongoing development of in-house products, which is good for business and safety, and makes for maximum transport sufficiency. Particularly in its light and heavy metros, road and airport transports, namely power grid management, video surveillance, public address, vehicle localization, or composition and airport logistics. EFACEC also works hard for its well-deserved and widespread reputation in industrial logistics, whether at home or abroad, particularly in Spain, Central Europe and Southeast Asia. EFACEC is increasingly an exporter of sophisticated technology and technological solutions. It has a presence in over 60 countries and has taken the name of Portugal to all 5 continents. EFACEC is widely recognized internationally for the importance and complexity of its work. In the field of technology and in power, there is the United States of America, one of the most demanding markets in the world, and one in which the company has won big clients. In the power sector, there are also the countries of the Maghreb region, particularly Algeria, where EFACEC works in close partnership with Sonalgaz, the public power utility. It has grown tremendously in southern Africa too, and in a similar fashion, there is the European market, particularly the United Kingdom, France and Spain, and especially Central Europe. Brazil, Argentina, Chile and India are all countries where EFACEC is a big overall player in this business, and where its servicing operations can also be counted on. Large-scale international transport infrastructure modernization, renovation and enlargement projects know they can count on EFACEC. The experience gained in the construction of the light metro for Porto, one of the biggest and most complex in Europe, has helped the company win many other projects, prime amongst which are metros in Spain, Jerusalem, Italy, Turkey, Singapore, Brazil and Dublin. In terms of airport and industrial logistics, the track record is just as good in Bulgaria, Austria, Spain, Australia and New Zealand, as it is in whole regions such as Central Europe and Southeast Asia. As for the environment, EFACEC's exports to Spain are especially well known for their environmental protection systems, particularly in the sulfuration of coal power plants. The value of people. Big projects mean big challenges. Embracing competitive markets and with its huge growth potential, EFACEC can go as far as its imagination will take it. The company's edge is in its efficiency, where the added value of its people makes all the difference. The 4,000 people that work at the company underpin the group's growth through their active involvement and collaboration. 40% of them have degrees, masters or PhDs, and 150 are involved in research and development. The company's growth strategy means that each member of staff has to work hard and be autonomous, responsible and competent. Encouraging sustainable development, EFACEC faces up to its economic, environmental and social responsibilities. In 2007, it won an award for being the most family-friendly company. EFACEC is proud of its heritage. With over 100 years of company history, aware of its capabilities and strength, it is today a company of the future, an experienced brand, a global brand, the brand image of a great world player. EFACEC, technology that moves the world.
I hope you found it interesting. Okay. Now, our organizational and internationalization model. EFACEC has 10 business units, and we have also EFACEC markets that includes Portugal and Spain, Central Europe, Maghreb, Southern Africa, Latin America, USA, India, and the rest of the world, means Asia and so on. Okay, EFACEC has also a corporate center that have 10 entities to ensure the quality levels that allows the business development out of the other areas. These areas are strategic planning, communication and sustainability, human resources, risk and management control, innovation, quality and organizational, IT systems, financial and management control, administrative, audit and legal. We have also two committees, one dedicated to technology and the other dedicated to the markets. Okay. Some figures. Despite not observing a notable growth since 2009, if we look closely, we can see that our domestic market is always being diminished, and is contrabalanced with the growth on the international market. We can see that our sales in 2012, the international market represents 77% of our sales. Our head count, okay, we employ more than 4,600 collaborators. 36% are around the world, and in the graph on the bottom, on the right bottom, we can see that 38% have higher education, such as master, doctorate, or other. Okay, in the graph on the right side, we can see also that we are creating jobs. Our business areas, we are divided in three business areas. One of them is energy. Energy includes the following business units: transformers, power transformers and distribution transformers, switchgear, high and voltage switchgear, and servicing. Servicing that maintains and repairs the other equipments. We have another area, engineering, environment and services, where we have engineering, basically turnkey solutions, automation, energy management, maintenance, environment. Environment means solid waste, water treatment and air, and renewable sources of energy. The third area, transportation and logistics. We have transportation, that means infrastructures for light metros, railway and railroad, and logistics that are big warehouses, automatic warehouses, and baggage handling in the airports. As we can see, we have many competencies here. We have electrical engineering, automation, mechanical, hydraulic, chemistry, biology, among others. Okay. Now I will share with you our innovation process. Okay, innovation is present in our mission, vision, values, and principles. It is integrated in EFACEC processes and behaviors. Although EFACEC is seen as a company linked with technological aspects, EFACEC strategy is not only technological aspects, but also marketing, organizational, and processes innovations. Okay? Many innovations have features that encompass more than one type of innovation, and sometimes it's very difficult to distinguish them. Usually, successful innovations result from an integrated combination of commercial, strategic, and technical skills. We believe the creation of a positive environment is the responsibility of all managers. Almost like in life, success is achieved more by transpiration than by inspiration, more by work than by luck. So we believe that it's important to have a RDI organization. Okay, our organization, as I can see in the video, we have several areas. We have complexity. So the organization that we believe that is more proper to our organization is the following. We have a technology committee. This technology committee is a forum for reflection of the technological competitiveness of the group. We studied market trend analysis. We joined technological competencies and responsibilities, promoting inter-units project, promoting synergies, optimizing costs and resources. And we have also promoting and monitoring RDI strategy plan implementation in each business unit. We have also an innovation department that is one element fully dedicated to develop, support and coordinate the RDI management system and its audits, the internal creativity, the relations with scientific institutions, the report data to stakeholders, training and development in RDI themes, and the technology committee activities. And we have also teams in each business unit, teams. Teams dimensioned for each business unit activity that develop product solutions and features. Project management is a discussion, supervision of technical and proposals, and they prepare also the documentation for proposals, and we collaborate with universities, research institutes, and the technical committees. It's not by chance that employees are represented on our RDI organization. Innovate is responsible of each and every EFACEC employee. And at the top we have the executive committee, because the executive committee must be also committed with innovation. Our innovation model. Okay, lots of layers. In the red layer, inside the red layer we have EFACEC, our internal organization, and outside the world, if I can say that. This model is inspired in chain of interaction that is presented by COTEC and is in accordance with NP 4457, that is a Portuguese standard. Okay, if all these layers interact, we will have outcomes. In the first layer, inside red layer, EFACEC, we have the strategic processes, we have policies, objectives, management review, and we have also corporate process, that are the process that allows all organization function. And we have also inside the RDI management processes and the business process. The business process are the process of the value chain of business. We have marketing and sales, design and development, we have product, project and service management, and we have after sales. Okay, then we have three interfaces: technological interface, organizational interface, and market interface. In the marketing interface, we have our customer and supplier needs and our internal problems analysis. In the technological interface, we pretend to present our relation with scientific knowledge and also standard knowledge, knowledge obtained with the standardizing entities. And organizational interfaces means our internal knowledge and also our internal creativity and the existing knowledge in our company. Outside the interfaces, we have the micro environment, and we have the micro environment and macro environment. In the micro environment, we have suppliers, we have consultants, we have financiers, we have clients, we have the people who are closest to us. In the macro environment, we will have the scientific and technological system, we have the informational system, we have, sorry, let me, because I'm trying to remember, education and training system, scientific and technological system, information infrastructure, regulators, investors. These interfaces are the real inputs to the processes from the value chain of EFACEC. If all these processes interact, allowing knowledge, communication, and achieving results, leading to value creation and increased competitiveness. An innovative company is not an entity detached from its context. Okay, so we can say that the R&D management model is dynamic, decentralized, and self-promoting, which seeks to represent and organize innovation management and associated results. Our RDI process map, we have documented the following processes: idea management, RDI project management, technological and interfaces management, and intellectual property management. We have also other processes like strategic planning that interact with this process map. Our key points. Our key points are creativity, generating and sharing knowledge, and networking. We have lots of initiatives to foster innovation, but one of them is the workshops. This is the workshop that we learned with Strategos, and we are trained to apply it internally. What kind of outcomes are we looking for? Okay, on content level, we are trying to find growth opportunities. How? Learning. Mainly new approaches to thinking and acting. And why? Because we want to internalize the responsibility for innovation. These workshops follow a methodology that I will try to explain. Okay, this methodology consists in 3 phases. In the first phase, we will try to find our new perspectives. And which are our new perspectives? There are the industry orthodoxies, the way we do things in our business, our core competencies, that is, understand the deep-seated competencies that we can leverage for strategic advantage. We have our customer experience, that is, understand the unmet and unarticulated needs of our customers, and also the discontinuities and is understand the large changes occurring in the marketplace and how we can leverage to our advantage. We work in teams, 8 to 10 elements, with diversity criteria like functional, age, gender, experience, using tools in order to find our new perspectives. Then, with this base of knowledge, we begin another phase that consists on brainstorming sessions whose inputs are the database found in the first stage. We develop as many ideas as we can. And in third phase, we work these ideas, building the opportunity plan, where the team gathers the ideas, develops new concepts, and states how to implement it, in which are the benefits, who will be involved, what needs they will resource. Basically, a very light opportunity plan that will be approved and discussed later by a specific team. Okay, we think that these workshops are a good tool to embed a culture of innovation and also to change our mindset. Another project that I would like to share with you is Colombo project. It's an idea management process. It's our idea management process. Each and every employee is encouraged to present ideas to improve EFACEC processes, products, and services. This program was designed internally and supported by an application accessible to everyone. It's based on transparency and accountability principles. Everything is online. You can see our page. The red means approved idea, yellow means in study, and red means rejected idea. Okay, so everyone involved, the idea authors, the approvers, the directors, and the executive committee have a key role in this process. We encourage all types of ideas. The ideas are evaluated by an approver, and if approved, they are rewarded. Okay, I have here an example. We have very good examples. When was the best idea of second quarter 2012? Okay, the idea name is making better use of electrical steel. Okay, proposed by an operator of an electrical machine that is used on power transformer factory. With daily use of the machine, the operator saw an opportunity to make use of waste material. The edges of electrical steel rolls cannot be used in transformer cores due to impurities and also imperfections. So he realigned the edges from 8 to 18 millimeters to 16 millimeters, sorry. And all of this waste can be used to make magnetic shunts, an important component in the manufacturing of power transformers. With this change, better use can be made of electrical steel rolls, an expensive raw material, thus resulting in a profit of 70,000 euros, even with machine operating in a single shift. This operator was awarded with a smart car. Vigilance is an organized and systematic observation, collection, diagnosis, and dissemination of the information. The knowledge obtained by this way, by technological vigilance, helps us to make strategic decisions with less risk, thus enabling new ideas, opportunities, and even possible problems. We acquire knowledge in so many ways: participating in associations, international technical and standardizing committees, attending worldwide conferences, global networking, building technological partnerships, patent databases, market studies and competitors' technical information, scientific publications, internal prototyping laboratories, customer visits and supplier meetings, and feedback from our international clients out there. Okay, technological vigilance is part of the daily activities undertaken by the R&D department. The most used method is the radar. It allows us to identify which actors of the external environment should be monitored and how often these frequencies should be carried out according to the importance assigned. This methodology starts with the actors' identification. For each actor, families, suppliers, competitors, universities, we assign a person responsible for monitoring in a systematic way. Employees who perform as monitors determine the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, of the information based on the importance of the actor. The position of the actor in the radar, the closest to the center, the most important surveillance. Periodically, the employees report information. The knowledge obtained is shared by email, meetings, presentation, or listed either in Idioteca or in IT shares. Okay, Idioteca is our RDI library. Okay, EFACEC, the interface with technical community, is another source of knowledge. We associate with 30 entities and we are directly involved in managing 4 of them. Results. And okay, only 5 minutes, please. Being result-oriented requires not only introducing practices that recognize the different types of innovation, but also measure its return and impact. It is not easy to measure the RDI results, but we are aware that we only can improve if we measure our activities. We have 3 business units that have RDI certification according NP 4457. The main goal wasn't the certification itself, but the systematic practices we have implemented. EFACEC ensures regular RDI results with the following results evaluating in the following activities: interfaces and knowledge production management, idea management, evaluation of completed and ongoing projects, innovation scoring tool, patenting, results of public recognition applications, and evaluation of RDI training. We also perform audits to RDI management systems. And the results of RDI activities may themselves be used as a direct source of innovation, leading to new development and new cycles. Some results about our Colombo project that I explained before. Okay, we can say that we have received nearly 1,900 ideas in the last 4 years. We have a huge database and we have involved more than 900 employees from different areas. 36% of these ideas have been adopted and implemented, meaning that 45 participants were awarded. At the end of each year, the best idea has been awarded with a smart car, but it isn't mandatory. In total, taking into account already the cost of idea implementation, the cost of the program, and the awards, we can say that we have a profit of more than 600,000 euros. We are in 2030, Colombo continues, but we are preparing a new project in order to ignite flame. EFACEC has a high experience in planning, evaluation, selection, and project management. We have more than 30 individual or co-promotional projects. Currently, our main RDI project, submitted in Ukraine, represents a value of 11 million euros. The decision of register or not a patent is always analyzed. It has been a common practice to keep the industrial secret instead of patenting, but lately we decide to improve this key performance indicator. At the moment we have 15 patents required. It is important to protect our business and we are committed with this goal. Here we have our R&D indicators. Okay, we have 220 collaborators exclusively dedicated to RDI, and we are very proud about our recent acknowledgements about technology. Our challenges, and now that my 30 minutes are up, I would like to finish this presentation with our challenges that are: maintain our visible, strong technology branding, develop innovative solutions with flexibility and customization, and build competence centers into centers of excellence. Thank you very much. I hope to have given you an idea how innovation works in our company. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time.